Today marks day 4 of a first-degree murder trial in Cerro Gordo County. Braden Bowers is accused of stabbing 23-year-old Raymond Todd in the chest with a knife in May of 2017. Todd later died at Mercy Medical Center, North Iowa, a few days later. Today, Bowers' friend, who took him out of the county after the stabbing, was called to the stand to share her testimony. KIMT News 3's Brian Tabak was in the courtroom today, and he joins us now live from Studio 3. Brian?
Raquel, the first person the state called to the stand was Cody Bulbitz, the brother of Taylor Bulbitz, who spoke yesterday. He told the court that he was just feet away from Todd when Bowers pulled up into the house. He says Bowers tried to hit Todd with his car when he stepped out of the way of the vehicle. Bulbitz says Todd threw the first punch and he tried to stop the two from fighting. That's when he noticed that Todd had been stabbed and Bowers took off. We learned today that Bowers would later meet up with Anastasia Beebe, who then gave him a ride out of town. Beebe grew emotional, speaking about her longtime friend Braden Bowers in court. Before the stabbing, Beebe said she had followed Bowers to his mother's house, but when he got angry and drove off, she wasn't able to keep up with him. That's when she received a text message.
He said he was going to bust his windows out when he came back there.
When she returned to the house, Braden had already left and started calling for help.
And those were the phone calls at 337, and 338, correct?
Yes.
That's when Bowers changed his clothes and they took off for her parents' house. They stayed there one night before they were told to leave.
Why couldn't you stay there?
Because my dad told me the cops were on us. I wasn't going to sit somewhere and get caught.
They were later caught in Hancock County. While on the stand, she was questioned about how Bowers reacted after they were stopped by law enforcement.
Was he scared?
Yes.
Was he remorseful?
Yes.
What did he do that made you think he was remorseful? What did he say?
I just remember him telling me that he's sorry and he was crying.
The prosecutors then rested their case today, making way for the defense to start questioning their witnesses. Testimony will pick back up in the morning, and I'll be there to bring you more coverage tomorrow. Live in Studio 3, Brian Tabak, KIMT News 3.
Brian, thank you very much. And we'll hear from the defense's first witness today, Braden Bowers' grandmother, who described a conversation she had with him after the stabbing. That is coming up tonight on KIMT News 3 at 6.